Hello class 9, I'm your RJ Shilpa and Bhagavi at your local radio station class 9 local radio, bringing you to the minute news, current affairs, music, interviews, roundup and much more. You double my joys, you multiply my cheers, you divide my sorrows, I don't have to be a math genius to know you're a real friend to me. Of friendship. Friendship means understanding, not agreement. It means forgiveness, not forgetting. It means the memories last, even if contact is lost. And a real friendship exists in this. So belated but happy Friendship Day. A new day brings a new sunshine and fulfill our life with enjoyment and new hope. But we can't deny last days happening. Oh yeah, you got it. Yes. It's the window to the world, so with last day's coverage, Thupten and Group is here.
Come on, George, this is the news desk of CSC Abupur, being messaged by me and my group. First of all, Cheresia is coming with our international news.
No going back, Congress set aggressive after-house suspension. Reward for teacher to improve attendance. BJP point to Congress history and rejoinders.
Thank you, Cheresia. Now, Divas and Yende is coming with his sport news.
Yakub exhaust all legal options. Over 2019 houses to soon set new upgrade toilets.
10 of the territory unit return in India and Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Babavi, do you know my hobbies?
No, but I will like to know that.
My hobbies are dancing, shopping, cooking, watching TV, and the most learning different languages.
And will you like to know my dream?
Yes, tell us.
My dream is to go Paris.
Yeah, it's a fabulous place. And so many of us also wants to go there. But are we aware about local sightseeing?
So next program, leading Shruti and Group is going to tell us more about local sightseeing.
Good morning to you all. We are here with some local sites of Uttarakhand.
Shruti, have you ever heard about Jim Corbett National Park?
Yes, I have, but I don't know much about it. I think Rohit can tell us more about Jim Corbett National Park.
Yes, it's true.
So Rohit, please proceed.
Yes, friends, if you are searching for a beautiful place to visit with your family, so you must come to the Jim Corbett National Park. The Jim Corbett National Park is the perfect place to visit. It is the part of the Corbett Tiger Reserve. It lies in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand. It spans over an extent of 520 square kilometers. Its whole area comprises of hills, marshy depressions, riverine belts, grasslands and large lakes. You can see many animals and the beauty of the nature. It also allows overnight stays in the lap of the national park. For more details, you can log on to www.corbettnationalpark.co.in. Now I would like to hand over this platform to Shruti to tell us about IMA. So Shruti, please proceed.
IMA Dehradun. IMA became functional from 1st October 1932 with a core strength of 40 gentlemen, candidate brigadier, DSO OBE, which was the first commandant. The IMA building is also known as the Chaitwood building, after the name of its founder, Marshal Sir Philip Chaitwood, who was then the Commander-in-Chief of India. IMA is backed at 8 kilometers on Dehradun Chakrata Road and 3 kilometers beyond FRI. For more details, you can log on to www.indianarmy.nic.in. Now let's move toward Mussoorie. So I welcome Devanshu Raghav for telling us more about Mussoorie.
Yes, friends, Mussoorie. The mall or hill station probably have a mall, and Mussoorie is no different. You can also enjoy horse riding through the Corded Road. There is also a playground for children, offering many games and rides, along with many herds of photographs to click on various traditional Indian actresses. From the mall, you can also ride ropeway, which takes you to Gun Hill 400 meters away. Now I want to call Pooja some information about Nainital.
Nainital. Nainital is a glittering jewel in the Himalayan necklace, blessed with scenic natural splendor and varied natural resources. Nainital is headquarters of Nainital district. It is also divisional headquarters of Kumaon division of Uttarakhand state. Nainital is one of the most popular hill stations in India. which not only offers majestic views of Himalayas and lakes, but also have many sightseeing options. Following is the list of tourist places in Nainital: Naina Devi Temple, Eco Cave Garden, the Mall Road, Zoo, Ailur Ropeway, and etc. much more. So, these are some of the popular spots in Nainital.
Thank you, friends. We will be back tomorrow with something new local sights of another place.
In spite of going to Paris, first I will like to go explore Uttarakhand. And me too. Now it's time for a short break. We will be back soon.
Double grand offer.
For you, 20% off on NCERT books for any subject, 30% off exam idea for any subject. So, while you're watching, on the golden bird is knocking at your door.
So, Hester, bless the deal now.
Shilpa? Yes, Prabhavi. Do you know what's our next program? Yes, I know. And this program will boost up our confidence level and will energize us. Yes, because in next program, Ritika and group is going to interview our English teacher. Yes, and this interview is based on the achievements and goals of our English teacher, which he is going to share in this program. Good morning, sir. We are students of class 9B and we are performing a radio show. So for that, we want your interview.
Hello, sir. I'm Ritika Rawat of class 9B. I'm very delighted to be able to interview you today. My first question for you, we all are eager to know that how you got success as an English teacher.
Thank you, Ritika, that you are going to interview me. And as far as your question is concerned, my mother, father are behind me. They were also English teacher, and they wanted that their son should be an English teacher. So I give all the credit to them.
Honesty, that was motivating and inspiring answer. My second question for you is, how good were you in your studies?
I cannot say I was excellent, but I was doing my work honestly. Whatever the work was assigned by the teachers, I was doing. I was whatever the guidelines were given by the teacher, I was following. And overall, I was studying a lot. So for at least 3 or 4 hours, I was studying. I was watching TV. I was listening BBC News, etc.
My third question for you is, are you naughty at your school time?
So what do you think? Everyone at this age has to do whatever you are doing. So I was also doing same thing, and so many times I was caught.
My fourth question for you is, sir, any message for us?
So my message for you people is that whatever you are doing, that's suited to you, but don't forget your aim. You fix your aim, you fix your goal, and do accordingly. If you are forgetting for your naughtiness, whatever the aim you have fixed, then you will not achieve your goal. So this is my message, and wish you best of luck to all.
Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time to us. Are very careful of yours.
Now it's time for announce our first lucky winner, who will sing song by herself. Please.
Hello, I am Nima and I am going to sing Waging Ball. We grow within our hearts in vain, we jump, never asking why. We kiss our feet until your spell love, no one could deny. Don't you ever say, I just walk away, I will always want you. I can live a life running for my life, I will always want you. I can be like you waking ball, I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to beg you all you ever did was Where me, hey you, where me.
Thank you.
What a pleasant voice you have, Nima.
What happened, Shilpa? Why are you laughing?
One joke track on my mind. I can't stop my laugh.
Would you like to share with us, please?
Yeah, of course. My joke goes like this. One day, teacher asked, which is the longest word in English? Do you know what the student replied? Smiles. Sir, the distance between the first S and last S is miles.
Really, it's very funny.
Yes.
Oh, like Shilpa, you all will not stop your laugh. So don't stop yourself and let's laugh with us.
Yes, because our next program is all about to laugh. So Anuj and Sudhanshu are going to present their comedy.
Hello friends, I am your friend Sudhanshu and today me and my friend Anuj are going to make you laugh. A man goes to the doctor and says, where I touch it hurts.
What do you mean?
When I touch my shoulder it really hurts. If I touch my knee, oh ouch. When I touch my forehead it really hurts.
I know. What's wrong with you? You broken your finger.
Why are you late?
Because of the signboard, sir.
What signboard?
The one that say school ahead go slow.
Johnny, why are you doing your math sum on the floor?
You told me to do it without using table.
Thank you.
Now friends, it's time to say you our next lucky winner, Shruti.
Hello friends, I am Shruti and I am here with the song Emptiness. How love was fine with a song and a wine, you're harsh and divine, like truth in a lie. But the feeling's not here, I have nothing to fear, for my love is your love giving and hold on. In the bright emptiness is a room full of it, is a cool mysterious. Oh, and I see this unrest and it's all hollowness, and I have nowhere to go, not come, and I feel so lonely, yeah. There's a better place in this emptiness, yeah. Thank you.
Really, Shruti, you have also a pleasant voice. By the way, do you know, I tell you that my favorite hobby is watching TV.
Yes.
And especially movies.
Yeah.
And did you watch Bahubali?
Yes, I watched and it's amazing.
Do you know Bahubali earns up to 1,000 crores and it's the most expensive movie.
Oh, really? Likewise, Bajrangi Bhaijaan also crosses 300 crores, which breaks the all records of Salman's movies itself.
Like this, Tenzin Group is coming with his Bollywood updates and his entertainment review.
Good morning to one and all listeners. Here is Rahul Singh, Class 9B, to present before you to review the blockbuster film Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And for this, I have my friend Tanin Chuni to continue.
Good morning, I'm Tanin tell about the Bajrangi Bhaijaan. And in this film, Kamal Khan is the heroes of the film and heroine is Kareena Kapoor. In this film, there was a comedy and fighting. I think that is very interesting. In industry, these films earn 2,000 crores. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanin Chuni. Listeners, I hope you had enjoyed the film review. And similarly, you will be watching it today. Friends, remember one more film earned thousands of crores. Can you guess it? Yes, it is PK. And I call my friend Yash Chauhan to inform about the film to you. Over to Yash.
Good morning to all. I am Yash Chauhan to tell about film PK. In this film, Amir Khan is a hero and Anushka Sharma is heroine. Friends, you see the movie. The movie is very comedy and interesting. The film industry earned 1,000 crores. Thank you and have a nice day.
Every success leaves behind a story, and every story has a moral. And every moral teaches us a lesson, and with this lesson we also get success and make another story. So Nima Group is coming with such a funny story.
Good morning, friends. I, Dharma, wholeheartedly welcome at your story station, where you get the most interesting and funny story. Today we are going to tell you about funny character Subandi. Our story goes like this. Early one morning. What are you doing, Subandi?
Emptied the milk packet, master.
So I can see, but look how much milk is still left in each packet. Water is.
What should I do?
You should put some water in each packet, rinse out the pure into the vessel like this.
Yes, master.
A few days later. Oh, the petrol is over. Subandi, fill the can of petrol from the garage and fill the full tank.
Yes, master.
The car just will not start. Something is wrong, Subandi. Did you fill the tank?
Yes, master, completely. Put the all petrol into the car. Then I put water into car. Rinse it out. Pour the water into tank too.
Oh, what?
Thank you.
Friends, do you know why the Supandi was so stupid? Yes, I know, because he was illiterate and was less knowledgeable. So friends, do you get it? That education is very important. Friends, are you excited for our next program? I know you are. But before that, a short break. Till then, be ready.
Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. I can feel your lips on your fingertips. I can see your smile come on my lips and happiness in your eyes. Kiss me, close your eyes and miss me. I can feel your lips on fingertips. I can see your smile come on my lips and happiness in your eyes. Kiss me.
So grab your own flavor.
Welcome, friends. Babavi, have you listened this quote? Let me find my true potential, because when I do, the world will know me with my name, because I'm one of the kind. So let's watch how much potentials our listeners having. So Amrit and team is there in their GK contest.
Hello everyone and welcome to our quiz contest. And I am your friend Amrit Singh. In this show, answer our question and win any school accessory. So I invited.
Hello, I am Ayushi, and to answer the question, call us at 9211420240 or log on to www.class9quizcontest.education.in.
So I invited Yugman to put the question for you.
Good morning to you all. Today I am here to ask you some questions. My first question is, what is the chemical formula of nitric acid?
Train.
Hello. I'm Shilpa, and I think the right answer is NaCl.
Yes, your answer is correct, and you had a copy and pen, and you will get your prize soon. My second question is, what is the real name of Birbal?
Train.
I'm Shruti, and I think the right answer is Mr. Ashish Bhatt.
No, your answer is wrong. Try next time. Anyone who wants to give answer?
Train.
Hello?
I think the right answer is Mahesh Das.
Yes, your answer is right. Congratulations, you have won a pack of watercolors. Now I invite Amit to ask you some more questions. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Amit Thapa. And so, your third question is, who was the god of cricket?
Hello.
Congratulations.
No, your answer is wrong. Try next time. Anyone who want to give answer? Yes, hello? Yes, you are right. And you have won a school kit. Soon you will get it. My second question is, who was commentator of Pro Kabaddi? Hello? No, you are wrong. Yes, you are right. The answer is Amitabh Bachchan, and you have won a pencil box. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.
Last but not the least, we are going to announce our last lucky winner, and they are going to sing their song by their own.
Toi बस्छु म आज फर्किन आइदिन्छु मेरो नयाँ बढिकिन माया हो कि के हो बुझ्न मैले सकिन किन सक्दिन ती यादहरू बिर्सन पहिलो भेट्नु घाल्यो यो मनमा खुपिदियो नाम तिमीले टेको म छातीमा थाहा थियो तिमी हेर्ने थियो मेरो वाखामा त बेबी यु आर सबरेस त्यो गुनी चोलीमा उभिएको थिए तिम्रो सामु लगाइ ढाका टोपी एभ्रीबडी चलसन विवेकको पपचोडी सायद मायाको अर्थ सिकायो तिमीले बेबी यु क्यान जुलिएट एन्ड अल्स बियो रोमियो सम्झेर बस्छु तिमीलाई हेर्ने तिम्रो फोटो तिम्रो सानो पीडा हुँदा मुटु किन रोको आम नट अफ्रेड बेबी छ मेरो माया छको तिमीसँग जीवन बित्यो त्याग्ने छ धोको जबसम्म जीवन हुन्छ यो केटी तिम्रै हुन्छ मन पराछ तिमीलाई यस्तो गरेको बाटो तिम्रो
Oh, what a speech and what a marvelous and melodious voice you have. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Shruti.
Hello friends, here is Shruti is here for the vote of thanks. First, I want to say that I am highly obliged to Shilpa and Vaibhavi, the convener of this program, who had given me this golden and glorious opportunity to give me this vote of thanks. So I am really very thankful to all the viewers of our program and the conveners who had made this program successful. And I also want to give a special thanks to our English teacher, Sir Ashish Bhatnagar, who had given his precious time to us for interviewing him. Thank you everybody. We will be back tomorrow.
We are really sad, but it's time to take bye from you. Till then, namaste, goodbye, sayonara.